Here's how to buy fractional shares on Robinhood. It's actually really simple. You basically invest in dollars instead of shares, and you can even do that after hours here. So, for instance, if I'm looking up a stock, like I own some Apple stock, not a recommendation, but I'll just look up Apple, for instance. So you go to that stock or ETF, whatever the page is you want to go to, and then when you go down here to trade and you go to buy, if it's not already, it should be in dollars. So if you click on this, you can see buy in dollars and you can buy in shares. So if we buy in dollars, depending on what we invest here, so maybe I want to invest $5 into Apple, I can review that investment. It'll be queued because this is after hours, which I'm totally fine with. If you want to trade after hours, then you have to buy in whole shares. But I'm going to continue a queued order, totally fine, and put in $5 for Apple stock. And that is a fraction. You can actually see right here the fraction of the share that it is. It's a very small fraction of the share. And so I can swipe up to submit that order, and I've purchased a fractional share of Apple. And you can also set up recurring investments to purchase fractional shares as well in that same little dollar menu, dollar icon menu section there in the upper right. And so that's it. I mean, that's how you can buy fractional shares on Robinhood.